Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how I make shaker charms. You're going to need a few things, like your shaker base, some clear film, some UV resin, your shaker filler, 2-part epoxy resin, some scissors, a permanent marker, and some rubbing alcohol, paper towels, and a UV torch, and some toothpicks, a hand drill or Dremel, whatever works, some ice screws, some water, and a syringe. First, let's get our shaker base and figure out how big of a piece of clear film that we need. Once we figure out the size we need, we cut it out. After that, we put our clear film on our shaker and we trace around it with our permanent marker. When you're tracing it, make sure you leave enough room on the edges so that the epoxy resin can cover it later. Now let's cut out the shape of our shaker. Wet your paper towel with some rubbing alcohol and wipe off the permanent marker. Take your clear film and make sure it fits your shaker. If it's too big, you can cut it down little by little until it does fit. If you decided you want to add an ice screw or liquid later, now is the time to drill a hole. Making a hole, add the filler of your choice. To be able to attach the clear film, you're going to need to spread UV resin all around the edges. Use a toothpick to spread the UV resin around evenly. Place your clear film on top of your shaker. Press it down gently and use a toothpick to make sure all sides are sealed. Grab your UV torch and flash cure it for up to 20 seconds, then pop it in your UV lamp. I like to keep it in there for up to 5 minutes just to be safe. After the UV resin has fully cured, now is the time to fill it with the liquid of your choice. I like to use water. Sippy. Sippy. Gold. Now get out some UV resin. A pea-sized amount is just fine. Dip your eye screw in the UV resin and then screw it into your shaker. Once it's screwed in, flash cure it for about 20 seconds. Now put some more UV resin around the eye screw to reinforce it. After that, flash cure it for another 20 seconds. After flash curing it, put it in your UV lamp for another few minutes. After the UV resin is cured, it's now time to dome your shaker. Mix your epoxy resin according to instruction. After mixing your resin, let it sit until it's thick. Once it's thickened, put some on your shaker and spread to the edges. You can pop any bubbles that may appear with a lighter. Once your shaker is domed, let the resin cure according to instruction. And there you go, your very own shaker charm. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.